Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try MarketGurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show. It's the big Fed day, the Super Fed day today, and it's going to happen at 2 o'clock. And we'll be live around 2:15 this afternoon on the French channel, though. And so the market are back to. Let me take the right thing here. The markets are back where they opened. So Nasdaq came right back up. It's coming down slowly right now. The Dow and the SPY remains at their top. So everyone is expecting the market to jump up this afternoon at the Fed announcement, but it's not really taking the lead right now. So there are still a chance that it will not happen, and so we're waiting anxiously to see what they're going to do, and the most important thing will be the perspective for 2019. So we think they are going to increase the rates, and the market are going to go up. But who knows what the Fed can decide to do. So right now on the TSX, the only sector that's on the move, maybe some other later, it's the energy stock that is getting better. So look, USO is bouncing back. The gas is coming back down, but it's sideways formation right here. And the energy stocks are bouncing. It's not very big, but it is what it is. So the reversal is exactly at the point where it is right now. So it is possible to find some stock that's going to show the same thing. So we have closed our position at price paid on Cenovus. So we took a profit before, and now since the oil could rebound much, the oil stock could rebound much more than that, we decided just to go away from the position. So let's see it this way now. It's much clearer this way. So Cenovus would be intraday wise very interesting on a new high right now. And but there are not that many so far, so they are bouncing back on most of them under support. On the gold, as soon as we started this morning, we said, everyone, if you have bought some gold stocks over the last couple of days, where we had a few signals on the market, so we are recommended to take some profit at the opening because of the Fed and because of the fact that the gold was going up for 3 days. So and the gold stuck. So what happened this morning after we see now the gold stocks came back? So the gold is still up, and this is the all increase of the gold, but the gold stock has returned. So starting from this morning, the gold stocks went up, and then we finally had the first reversal there. Let's see it in 1 minute, which should be able to see this. Okay, so it went up, and then there has been a reversal there, and the stocks keeps going down since that time. And on the mining, there's not much to do. It's still a base. It's oversold, so it's ready for a change of trend here, but it's just not happening. It could be interesting, but so far, we still have to wait because we don't have any signal. One of the best to become would be tech, but about 30, 75, 30. $31 is about the entering price. Consumer discretionary and many other sectors in the Toronto are just making a little base right now. The telecom is bouncing back on its support. The financials are bouncing, very small bounce on its support too. And industrials also, not enough to enter any position there, especially before 2 o'clock. So, and again here, real estate, same thing, rebound. Utilities still goes down. The healthcare is going down, and really, the supports are really threatened on the cannabis side. I'll show it to you later. It's the construction of a double support here on consumer staples, and technology also is some rebound there. But there's only a couple of sectors that are a bit positive right now, but not much, especially the energy sector. But still, there's no we only had the gold that was in a bullish cycle only, and as also the gold stock. It's still an uptrend, no longer a bullish cycle, but so it still remained the only positive sector at the moment. So look, Nasdaq is coming back slowly once more, so we have time to make another cycle down and up here, while on the Dow and the SPY, no one are doing anything. Everyone seems to be on the waiting side, and that's all. Let's see. No, I have no question here yet. So you see, so look at the gold stock is still going down there at this moment, and I presume the mining are going to do the same thing a little bit later. So right now, just a small rebound on the market. So we really have to wait to see what the Fed will do, because what we're trying to figure out right now is that will we have a stronger rebound? Will we have a new bullish cycle that's going to be in the direction of the downtrend here? So there's sufficient money to make right here, and on the Dow, same thing, So because the rebounds until the trend line, there's quite a bit of money there, but we just want to be sure we are initiating the direction toward the north. Actually northeast, and but in the meantime, we are waiting, because if you go one side and the market takes the other side, you will have to undo all of this. So it's not really a good idea right now to increase the position. And look how weed is weird because look, it's still putting pressure on its support here, and this is its lowest support. And there's still a risk there, and most of the stocks are in this same situation right now. So it went down this morning, and now we are all stopped at a support. So and look at Tilray again, putting pressure on the support and everything, and it worries me when I see the sector doing that. I'm just worried that the whole sector will again adjust to a fair price of the market, because so far profits are not there, sales are not there, and everything, and still the supply is much lower than the offer is. So it's a very risky place, because we have to see this downtrend being reversed, and it's the same on every stock. Look, that's what I was talking about Canopy earlier. So look, this is exactly where the trend is right now. So if it falls underneath the trend here, I don't know until where it could go. It could go, but definitely Aurora can come back to 5.5 at 5.50. I mean, and Aphria can go back to its bottom of 5, and Tilray, I don't know, but it's very low. And the only positive stock we have in the cannabis right now is New Age Beverage and BEV. It's still not a signal at this price, but whenever the stock passes $7, that's going to be the signal would have been triggered. And Chrono is still in the middle of his last jump, but what worries me is that all of those stocks that are threatening their support right now, like XO, OGI, WeedMD, Green Organics, and Namaste, that has broken its support already. So that's why I suggest, continue to stay away from it until it becomes a much proper time. So this is it for today, folks. Okay, now we have a correction on the SPY and the Dow, which is normal, could come to the support and even be back before 2 o'clock. But it's at 2 o'clock that's going to happen. So if you want to follow it with us, we'll be there at 2:15 on the French channel. Have a very nice afternoon. We'll see you later.